On a cold night, a tiny life was left all alone. The world kept moving, but no one noticed him. He cried for help, but the streets stayed silent.
Even the smallest hearts can feel the deepest pain. With tired legs and a heavy heart, he kept going.
A broken box was his only home.
He slept on cold ground, dreaming of warmth. His stomach was empty, but his heart still believed.
Hunger burned, but he waited in silence. Then, a small act of kindness appeared. Fear and hunger fought inside him. For him, this was a feast.
Not all hands are dangerous.
Trust is built one breath at a time.
The first touch changed everything.
And just like that, a new journey began.
Everything was new and beautiful.
Someone cared, and it showed. Every drop felt like love.
He was learning what safety felt like.
Gentle hands, gentle heart.
No more cold nights.
He didn't just find a home, he found a family. He woke up without fear. Every corner felt like an adventure.
What is this little thing?
Play, something he never had before.